welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get this red eye look that I'm wearing right now. But before we get into the video, I got to tell you that I did mess up a few names of the eyeshadows that I was using when I was recording. So I'm just going to write them on the screen. So when I'm saying them, just ignore it and just look at the words that I wrote on the screen. That's the actual shadow name. Besides that, it's all okay. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. So I got the rest of my face done by my eyes, and so I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette for this look. So I'm going to first start off with this shade right here called Faint, and this is going to be my like transition shade. And I'm just going to apply that basically everywhere, just to give it a nice like base, so that way the other shadows will blend pretty easy. Next I'm going to take one of these brushes. It's just a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Hunts, and I'm just going to apply this in the crease just to darken it up a little bit more. Next I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is called Roxanne, and I'm taking it on the same brush that I just used for that crease. And I'm just going to also apply this in the crease. Just to give it like more of like a reddy brown look before we start applying the red shades. Okay, so I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to try to use this color here. I don't exactly know how well this is going to work because I haven't really used this, but I'm going to try it out, and if it doesn't work, I'll try to find something else. And I'm just going to apply this just in the middle because I kind of want to create like an ombre where it goes from like white to red and then like a little bit darker red. So it looks a little bit too pinky. I mean, on camera it doesn't look too pinky, but in person it's kind of pinky. So I'm going to use this shade right here, and it's called What? So I'm going to take this darker red shade called Jax, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner. Now I'm going back in with this shade here called Roxanne, just to blend everything out pretty nicely. Next I'm going into the Morphe 350, and I'm going to use this shade here, and I'm going to use this on this type of brush. It's like a flat, and I'm just going to apply this to the inner corner of my eyes. Well, inner third. Before I move on to the lower lash line, I'm going to add some eyeliner, and I'm going to just make it into a wing. And this is the L'Oreal Superstar liquid eyeliner. And then to make the wing, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Dip liquid liner. I just find it much easier to use than like a pen. Now I'm just going to add a couple coats of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. You can add lash extensions here at this point, but I don't really use lash extensions too much. Okay, moving on to the lower lash line. I am taking this type of brush and I'm going in with this one here called Hunt's, and I'm just putting this on the lash line. Then I'm taking one of these brushes that has like a point on the tip, and I'm going back in to Jack's, this one. And I'm putting that also on the lower lash line just to smoke it out a little bit more. Next, I'm just going to add some mascara to the bottom lashes. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going back in here and I'm taking this shade right here called In Light. And I'm just gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna take it also on my brow bone. So this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.